PHL, number 5. Oops, thickness should be small. Where is that? Oh, review the budget against the performance of a last quarter, budget and actual given. So UK service and maintenance given, budgeted overhead, budgeted miles given for UK service, and actual miles also given, budgeted maintenance hours and actual maintenance hour given. We must need to read the requirement. Calculate the budgeted overhead absorption rate. It is actually OAR. And how do you get the budgeted overhead absorption rate, people? The formula is budgeted OH, which is money, divided by budgeted level of activity. Means units, so labor hour, machine hour, miles, units, whatever it is. Budgeted overhead, which is the money, budgeted money divided by budgeted level of activity. So overhead absorption rate should be what? Budgeted money is given. Excellent, Nadia. Thank you. I'm taking your answer. Budgeted overhead here is 320150 for UK. Divided by budgeted miles are 8425. 8425 is 38. 38 for UK. Budgeted money divided by budget. And for you, vehicle maintenance, budgeted money is 160,000. Divided 160 divided by budgeted hours are 4004, that is 40. Donica, Nadia, 40.25. Why? Let me check it out. It should be 40. Yesterday I was doing the same thing, plus 160 divided by 4004. What did I do? 160 divided by 4004. 40, yeah. Not 40.25, 40. Yeah, and that is your 40. That's so quickly you can generate these marks. Okay, people, and let me put it up here. Now there are theories. The first one, identify the most appropriate budgeted overhead absorption basis for UK. For UK services, we have used miles, not the hours. And so the answer is miles. And identify the most appropriate overhead absorption rate for the vehicle maintenance. Maintenance, we didn't use miles, rather we used hours. That is the answer. It depends what intensive business is yours. What intensive business or what intensive department is that. If it is a labor intensive department, we divide with labor hour. We choose the labor hour as a basis. If it is machine hour intensive, machine hour. How do you know it is what type? How to determine the intensive? Intensive means what hour is used more. Is more labor hour used than machine hour? Then it's a labor intensive business, and vice versa. Okay. Now, very important topic I need to discuss, which is regarding over and under absorption. Before I start this topic, especially the D, only for 2 marks, but I need to do a little long discussion. Excuse me. Regarding over and under absorption, people, remember, when you compare your absorbed figure with actual figure, yeah, absorbed means budgeted figure, you compare it with actual figure, you can get either over and under absorption. Now, remember, over absorption means you're happy, smiling, ooh, good. Over absorption means it's a cost saving, means your actual cost is lower. Absorbed is over. Okay, please do remember, absorbed is over. You're happy, you're dancing, you're smiling, your smile face, happy face. Yeah, over, good. It's your profit. It's a less expense. Means whatever you thought would cost you, whatever you absorbed into the budget. What is happening here? Okay, there's something happened with my software. Anyway, so whatever you absorbed actually is less, means you absorbed over. So do you remember? Yeah, over absorbed means happy. Under absorbed means sad. Under absorbed, you're sad, crying. Under absorbed is not good. Under absorbed means actually, what is the general meaning of under absorbed? Under absorbed means whatever you budgeted is the cost. Actually, the cost is higher and you absorbed is lower. Absorbed is under. Yeah, so keep your life easy. Over absorbed, you're happy. Under absorbed, you're sad. Let's read the question now. If the value of actual overhead incurred last quarter or this quarter, wherever, exceeded means higher. The overhead absorbed means budgeted. Tell me the answer, please. Let's see who gives me the right answer. Your actual is higher than absorbed. Yep. So are you sad? Yeah, under is the right answer. Under is the right answer. Thank you. So are you sad or happy on that note? Like your actual exceeded than the budgeted? Sad, yes, thank you. Yeah. Under absorbed is the right answer. Thank you. Although it is for 2 marks, but I needed that much of explanation because you might get different question. Do you understand me? Not the exactly who same question, but the different question. Yeah. Now, if you're under absorbed, you are happy. No, you're sad. Over absorbed, you're happy. And in the income statement, it is treated over absorbed because you're happy. It's treated as a profit and into the less expense. If it is under absorbed, you are sad. It is more expense. Yeah. And in income statement, anything expense is debit. Anything income is credit. Now, give me the answer for E as well. An over absorption overhead will be dash in the profit and loss. Options are debit or credit. Is it DR or CR? Over absorption. Sylvia says CR. More people, please. More people participate in the question. Over absorption is credit. Is it right or wrong? It is 100% right. Over absorption is credit. Yes, Nadia, thank you. Over absorption is good. You are happy. It's a profit. It's a less in expenses. So credit into the income statement. So this will dash expense decrease. That would be the most appropriate answer. And will dash profit increase? Yeah. Let's check the answer.